how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to new phone without backup. First, you want to go search for Microsoft login and open up the first website that pops up right here. Now you want to sign into your account, the main Microsoft account, and click on My Microsoft Profile. So what we're going to do here is basically just go into devices, and you want to add the new device as a trusted device here. So you can click on Register Device, and it's gonna help me find my serial number. So here you can choose the type of device, other device, and you want to enter the serial number for your device. Now you can see your specific serial number depending on the device. You can Google search for that, and after you enter your serial number here, you will click on confirm, and then that is going to recognize that device as linked to Microsoft Authenticator. So once you download it on your phone or whatever, it's going to transfer over your data. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.